Hi friends, welcome to Smile Nursing Tutorial. Today we are going to see some medical terminology. Okay, first, what is autopsy? That means examination of the body after death. What is bacterial meningitis? Bacterial infection causing inflammation of the protective membranes covering the brain and spinal cord. Next, what is benign? Benign means not cancerous. A tissue growth that will not spread into the body and will not recur after it is removed. What is cardiomyopathy? A disease of the heart muscles that causes it to lose its pumping strength. Next, what is carditis? Inflammation of the heart. What is chemotherapy? The use of drugs to treat disease.